Take a breathtaking journey into the beauty of nature with this inspiring video. From majestic mountains and lush green forests to sparkling waterfalls, vibrant flowers, and serene oceans. This video showcases the incredible wonders of our planet. The vast ocean water that serves a serene view to relax our mind. This will always remind us how grateful we people to God's creation. Let these stunning visual soothing atmosphere remind us why it is so important to appreciate and protect the environment. Whether you're a nature lover, a traveler at heart, or someone looking for a moment of peace and relaxation, this video will inspire you to see the world in a new light. In every leaf, every wave, and every mountain peak lies the true beauty of our world. Nature is not only a place to escape, but also a source of peace, healing and inspiration. It reminds us to slow down, to breathe and to reconnect with the world beyond the noise of everyday life. It represents balance and harmony, showing us how every element from the smallest insect to the tallest tree plays a role in the cycle of life. To appreciate nature is to recognize both its power, fragility, and to understand our responsibility to protect and preserve it for future generations. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more inspiring nature presentations.